So are you doing? I hope you guys are fine.
Good to be a YouTuber, guys. Support each other, grow together. Try to create a YouTube channel, register. It's for free and have fun online.
I'm so tired, like I really need to rest now. Nah, good thing, good actually.
Hello, my beautiful friends. Good morning, good afternoon in the country. I'm here reason how to start a successful YouTube channel as a business. Like some people want to open a YouTube for a purpose. You understand? Some people open this YouTube, create a YouTube channel for fun, make makeup, comedy, many many things, and you are just there sitting down thinking how to start a YouTube, whether they are paying before you start a YouTube. Like the time that I want to start a YouTube, I admire to start a YouTube channel. I was thinking that you first of all pay before starting a YouTube. I did not even know that it's free. I met my friend. He told me that I'll first of all pay before starting a YouTube. That he have someone that you can pay before starting a YouTube. I say what? I say wow. It's okay, don't worry. If I raise the money, I'm going to give you. Then I went home. I saw one lady like that. She did she's a YouTuber. I say but how did this girl paid to start a YouTube? Then I browse how to start a YouTube channel. Then I see that it's free. So before you start a YouTube channel, you need to have a good camera and determination, and have faith that you are going to make it on YouTube. Some people start a YouTube because of the money that is there. Quite alright, YouTube pays, but you have to be patient. Like you need to be patient, and things that you really need before starting a YouTube channel. One, you need to think, what am I going to be uploading about? You need to design your profile, your page, to attract people to watch your video, especially as a business channel. And another one is be consistent. I always say it, be consistent on YouTube so that YouTube can promote your channel. The more you upload videos every week or in a month, the more YouTube promotes your videos for you. And another one is thousands of people that is watching. It's not even thousands, there are millions of people that is watching YouTube channel. So you need to know the kind of content, the kind of business you want to start on YouTube. If it's really a product, or promoting a company, or fashion design, stylist, everything, makeup, like us now, why I do not base on one is if I really have money, like I need to base on one thing. People need to know me for one thing, because of there is no money. So in a little channel that I have, I do any video that I want to upload on YouTube. So but I really thank God that people love me like that. You will make a friend that will love you. That is it. And have a great content that will attract people to watch. like I have many content on my head that I really want to upload on YouTube, but not now. I'll be bringing it out one after the other. Design your proof, your page. Describe people what about your channel. Tell them about your channel. Then another one is upload video. Your first video, I know, like my first video is not nice, but before starting a YouTube channel, you need to research very well before uploading it first. Introduce yourself. Your first video, make sure you introduce yourself on your video. Tell them what your channel is about. Tell them what your channel is about. My channel is for fashion, my channel is for makeup, my channel is for styling, my channel is about fitness, my channel is about many things at all. So tell your friends, tell people that is watching you what my channel is about in your first video before you start doing a mistake. And another one is to share your video to your friends. Tell your friends that you are still used to share them. Let them support you. Like the time I started my own, all of my friends was laughing at me. Nancy, do you know what you are doing? You're just wasting your money on YouTube. You're just wasting your money by buying data and doing videos. What I do that time I was in school. I will recharge on my phone, subscribe, then I will share my Wi-Fi to them on my hotspot and share data to them. Then I'll collect their phone one after the other. Even from my department, I get up to 100 subscribers from my department only in my school. I connect my data to them. I make sure they subscribe to my channel. I make sure they watch my video and subscribe to my channel. Like the time I started my YouTube, I was making views. Yes, I was making views. At least I tried. I make up to 200 people that is watching my video during that time that I have chance for my channel. Then what again? Tell your parents, tell your family that you are a YouTube, that you are doing a YouTube. Normally they will not support you. They will not support you, but you force them to do it for you. If they like you, then you go to YouTube, in your Facebook, tell them that you are not a YouTuber. Let them support you. Just do a live video. Tell them that if they really like you, let them support you. Stop chatting. Anybody that wants you to chat with him or her, tell him or her to send you data, because you really need data, because YouTube is for free. But what will matter is data. You understand? And be nice with your audience. Be nice with your friends. Be smart. And always carry in your mind that you are going to make it. Don't allow YouTube to frustrate you. Don't think about the money, because when you are thinking about the money, and the more you are stressing yourself and your brain, like I did it, I was thinking about the money. If you monetize, that the money will be easy. My dear, if you monetize, it's another journey, another genesis on YouTube. Unless you have luck, that is it. So before I forgot something. Before you start a YouTube, you need to create a YouTube account. When you download the YouTube, you create it. I'm going to link how to create a YouTube channel. My phone, I have done the video already. The link is under the description. Just check it there. You will see how to create a YouTube channel. You need to create a YouTube channel. Your name, the name that you want to answer on YouTube. Like my real name is Linda Ebere, but I don't want to answer Linda on my social media. I answered Nancy Ebere. I answer my real Igbo name, but I do not answer my English name. So write Nancy Ebere or the name that you want to answer on your YouTube. So when you write it, you put a nice picture in your profile. How will you put the profile? When you are creating your Google, AdSense, like creating your Google AdSense, your Gmail account. When you are creating your Gmail account, you see where you upload your picture there, because it's that place you upload the picture will come off that place and you see it on your YouTube channel. Make sure your picture is nice and okay. Then after that, you come on your YouTube, upload video and start the journey. And I believe that God will do it for you. You are going to make it. You are going to make it on YouTube. I know YouTube is not easy. It's not a day job, but with God, all things are possible. Like me, I have a big testimony on YouTube. Since I started this YouTube, like I never lack of money. My friends bless me with money anytime I feel bad, and I thank God, and I thank all my friends. God will bless you. So YouTube is real. It's not a fake. That is my advice. It's real, and believe in God that you are going to make it. So that is what I have to say now. God bless you for watching. Don't mind my environment, and don't wait the time that you have big money before starting a YouTube. You can start a YouTube in a little capital. Don't shame. Maybe you have an interest of doing a YouTube, but you don't know how to speak correct English. My dear, anyhow you speak and people go watch. People will like you, will watch you. It's what I believe. So the more you create videos, the more you watch people videos, the more your English will be okay. So thank you for watching. God will bless you. Have a lovely day. I love you guys. You are my friends. You're my friend. I love you.